Hello everyone, this is Danny Kitchen Mafia. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna make the smoked Applewood Wahoo Florida Wahoo Ceviche. It's Peruvian food mixed with the Japanese ingredient and use the smoke technique. So we're gonna begin with the all ingredient. One that you have is mortar sea salt, sesame seed, black pepper, sriracha sauce, white soy sauce, yuzu citrus, sweet vinegar, mixed organic grape tomato, multicolor, Asian pear, watermelon, thin slice of lemongrass, thin shredded of the chisel leaf and shredded of the red bell pepper. We're gonna start with the sliced wahoo. So we're gonna put in the mixing bowl. Is the appetizer, so just 5 pieces. Before we're gonna marinate the wahoo with the yuzu juice, marinate a little bit and let it cook by citrus. Put the sea salt, let it cook like 5 minutes. Put in the refrigerator. After that, we're gonna mix all the ingredients. Sriracha sauce, sweet vinegar, white soy sauce or chiro soy sauce, a little bit of sea salt, black pepper, sesame seed, grape tomato, Asian pear, watermelon, lemongrass, chisel leaf and red bell pepper. So mix a little bit. We're gonna put in this container mason jar for presentation. So after 5 minutes, so we're gonna bring the Marinate wahoo. So you can see is outside is a little bit cooked by the citrus. Okay, we're gonna start blending. We're gonna reserve the juice and mix with the remaining ingredient. So make like put in the center. Then the remaining yuzu citrus, we put it back to the mix in all ingredients. Mix well. Then we try to put in the make like nice decoration. Try to do mix all different color, so you have like nice contrast. Put some jalapeno pepper, just a kick. Some cilantro. Okay. So now we're gonna use the polycide smoking gun to smoke it. Use the Applewood chip. We're gonna put a little bit of the chip inside. Then we try to smoke. Make sure all the smoke go inside. Okay. Nice presentation. Okay, this is the smoked Applewood Florida Wahoo Ceviche, Danish style. Hope you enjoy. So now it's time to try and taste. Shall we? So now it's time to try. We're gonna open. Oh, the smoke. You can taste all the freshness of the wahoo fish that are a little bit cooked outside from the citrus, and when you eat together, sweet from all the fruit, sweet from the Asian pear, watermelon. You have spiciness from the sriracha, a little bit kick, and all the herb that we put in, chisel leaf, lemongrass, go well with this dish. So hope you enjoy the dish, and hope you can do everything for your family or for your friend. So again, thank you for watching Danny Kitchen Mafia. Hope you guys enjoy this video clip and enjoy this dish. Thank you. See you in next episode. Thank you very much.